Today, I'll walk you through how to hyperlink in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create hyperlinks in your spreadsheets so you can enhance your data presentation and make your documents more interactive. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, Google Chrome. Simply double-click the icon on your desktop or search for it in your applications. This is the gateway to accessing Google Sheets. Next, click on the Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots in the upper right corner of your browser. This will reveal a menu of Google applications. From there, select Sheets. This action will take you to the Google Sheets homepage where you can manage all your spreadsheets. Now you have the option to create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click on the blank spreadsheet option. If you're working on something you've already created, simply find it in your list. Once you have your spreadsheet open, select the data you want to hyperlink. This could be a word, phrase, or even a cell that you want to link to a website or another document. Now right-click on the selected data. A context menu will appear, giving you several options to choose from. In this menu, select Insert Link. This will open a dialog box where you can enter the URL you want to link to. Next, paste the link into the provided field and click Apply. This will create the hyperlink, allowing anyone who clicks on the text to be directed to the specified URL. And there you have it, you've successfully created a hyperlink in Google Sheets. Remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps are generally the same across different versions. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.